Hey guys, Marlene and I are heading to Palatka. We're gonna have breakfast at the Magnolia restaurant. It happens to be my birthday today, so it's a birthday ride. We are...
Buenos días, everybody. Buenos días. Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños, Hannibal.
Thank you. So we head out from a different route. Took the Wolf Village Parkway from US 1, and that put us through the 9-mile road, and that hit 208, and then that hit State Road 13. Right now we're on State Road 13. It's a nice morning, 74 degrees. It feels really a lot colder, especially in the shade with the trees and everything. It's actually quite beautiful.
Every time we hit the shade, every time we hit the canopy of trees, I feel like we turn the AC on. It's gorgeous. Feels so good.
Friday morning, breakfast at Palatka, the Magnolia. If you like this content, subscribe and like the video. See you guys around.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, we are here in Palatka. We just had breakfast at the Magnolia, right here in the back.
Again, the famous Magnolia. You probably heard about it in a couple of videos ago, and you'll probably keep hearing about it.
Yes, and then we stopped by at this urban farmhouse.
Yes.
Yeah, they have really cool stuff in there. I'll try to post some pictures at the end of the video. Anyway, it's something fun to do here, while you wait for your table, or
after you eat, just stroll around and check their, the stuff. They have funny stuff. They have great stuff to decorate the house, and they have soaps, handmade soaps, and it's just little things.
Yes. Now we're gonna head south along the river and to hopefully find new routes. We'll see you guys around.
Bye bye. Peace out. Check our new shirts. Aren't they cool? A birthday present. Birthday boy.
No shirt, same belly. Welcome back. So we stopped by at Hastings, Main Street, and we stopped by for pizza. Actually, we were looking for a drink. Marlene saw this pizza place. It looks really good. It's right behind me. Hopefully you guys can see it.
Main Street Pizza.
Main Street Pizza. We have pizza and a drink. It's fantastic. Really, we gotta come back here again. The pizza's great. People are friendly, and the day is beautiful. Now we're heading back home. See you guys later.